Namaskar, dear learners. A very warm welcome to all of you in this session. And as this is the induction program for all the MSc Renewable Energy and Environment learners who have joined the program in this particular session, I welcome you all on the behalf of School of Engineering and Technology and on the behalf of IGNOU and on my behalf also. I would like to welcome you all in this session of Masters of Science in Renewable Energy and Environment. This program was conceived by School of Engineering and Technology, and the curriculum was developed with the help of various industrialists and the eminent academics in this area. If I will go by the program overview, then I will tell you about the objectives of this program, and then we will discuss about the various courses that are in this program, and then we will discuss that how you have to proceed in this program as you have joined this program in October itself, and now the examinations are in December. So how you have to move forward step by step, that will be discussed in this particular session. I am Dr. Shweta Tripathi from Mechanical Engineering discipline of School of Engineering and Technology in IGNOU, New Delhi. I am your program coordinator for this program. Now the program overview. So this Master of Science in Renewable Energy was conceived to provide you in-depth knowledge of all the major renewable energy sources along with their conversion processes, their conservation, and the applications of various renewable energy in any energy generation process. Apart from this, we have decided to focus upon various renewable energy sources like solar energy, hydro energy, bioenergy, etc., so that you may come to know about the practical and theoretical aspect of energy resources that are available with us, how we are going to do. Why was it important to do so? It is because that we all know that nowadays the world is confronted with twin crisis of renewable energy, twin crisis of fossil fuel depletion and environmental degradation. So there is a need of developing alternative energy resources which we could get in our own country or the resources that are locally available. So when we have to opt for these resources, it is important that we should know that what is the availability of these resources, where are these resources available, and how we are going to utilize it. What are the various technologies that are available to convert these energy into the useful forms. So in order to get all these things, we have developed this program. And again, developing or producing energy is one thing, and conserving the energy for the future use is another thing. So here we have focused on energy conservation part also, that how we are going to manage the energy that is available with us. We are not in the opinion of not utilizing energy, but utilizing the energy smartly is our aim. So how we are going to conserve the energy, because if we are conserving the energy, it is far better than producing the energy. So it is also one of our objective for developing this course. So if we talk about the core modules of our course, it is discussing upon the advanced technology concepts, methods which are in the production and utilization of various sustainable energy sources, and it will give all of you an opportunity to know that where you can utilize this knowledge of energy conservation and conversion and how you can change the world around you. Next is, we want to give you a detailed expertise in the field of solar energy systems, whether it is photovoltaic or thermal energy system, about wind energy system, about biomass and all other energy sources as well. Apart from it, we will be focusing upon the hydrogen and fuel cells also, and energy storage is also very important. So we will discuss about those concepts of energy conservation, conversion and storage all together in all the core modules that you are going to learn. This program is of 66 credit and it is multidisciplinary in nature, and to follow NEP 2020 we have made it modular in nature also, and you will get an exit option as PG Diploma in Renewable Energy and Environment after completion of the first year, which will be about 34 credits. Now the objectives of this program. The objective of this program is to provide opportunity to the learners so that they can deepen their knowledge of renewable energy and environment, and they could understand the principles of energy conservation and energy conversion and whatever its effect is on the environment. Apart from this, we also would like to expand the capacities of our learners on the theoretical and practical both aspects of renewable energy sources and their sustainable development. Apart from this, you will be able to develop some deeper understanding of energy conservation, management, supply, etc. in the field of energy and environment. The medium of instruction for this program is English, and the duration of completion for this course is minimum 2 years, and this is a semester-wise program, so there will be 4 semesters in 2 years, and every semester you have examination. Generally in IGNOU, we have examinations in December and June, so in both cycles you can appear for the examination, and in minimum 2 years you can get the degree Master of Science in Renewable Energy and Environment, and you will get postgraduate diploma in renewable energy and environment also after the completion of the first year. In case as many of you are working professionals and you have many obligations as well, in case you are not able to complete this degree in minimum duration, that is 2 years, we have given a flexibility to complete your degree by maximum 4 years. So you can appear for the examinations of the courses that you have not appeared earlier, or by any means you have failed in that examination, so that you have other chances also to pass or to appear for these examinations. So the maximum duration for the program will be 4 years, and again there is an exit option as PG Diploma in Renewable Energy and Environment. Now, as this is a 4-semester course, so in the very first semester you have 4 courses: MRW 001, MRW 002, MST 001 and MET 003. MRW 001 is energy conversion, and it talks about the basic concepts of energy conversion, then the processes like fuels and combustion, the turbine, how the power is generated from the turbines, etc., boilers, and various new renewable energy resources, how energy conversion takes place is discussed there, and the direct energy conversion process is also discussed. So basically it is all about the conversion of energy from one form to another. The second course, that is MRW 002, heat transfer. It is about the transfer of heat. Generally the heat is transferred by 3 modes: conduction, convection and radiation. So in this course also we have 5 blocks. In first block we have given about the basic concepts of heat transfer and mass transfer. In second we have discussed about the conduction, and in third also we have discussed about the transient conduction. Then in fourth we have convection. Then in fifth block we have radiation, and some applications of heat transfer is also there. So you will be able to know about the heat exchangers, etc. in this particular course. The course is having theoretical and numerical both approaches, so you have to go for the numerical and theory both in this course. in both of the courses, energy conversion and heat transfer. Then is MST-001, that is Foundation in Maths and Statistics. This course is a very basic course of mathematics and statistics. So you have to learn the basic concepts of mathematics and statistics here, whatever you have learned in 11th and 12th. So it is just a brush up course for all of you, and this mathematics will be utilized in future in all of the courses that are upcoming in 2nd, 3rd and 4th semester. Then there is a course MED-003, Energy and Environment. It is also a 4-credit course, and in this course you will be able to know about the energy and environment, their interaction, how the energy and environment are interdependent, how energy is affecting environment, how energy production is affecting environment. So basically, what is the impact of energy on the environment, how much energy we know, why, how much energy we need, why do we need energy, and what is its impact on the environment is discussed in this particular course. Then comes the 2nd semester. In 2nd semester, again you have 4 courses, but here you have 3 theory courses, and 4th one is the industrial training or minor project. So in 3 courses again, one is MRW-003, Renewable Energy Systems, MRW-004 is Energy Management, MEV-003 is Environment Law and Management, and last one, that is MRWP-001 is Industrial Training or Minor Project. So here in MRW-003 you will learn about the various energy systems. The first block is for the conventional energy sources. Then you have a block on solar energy and wind energy. Then you have a block on bioenergy and hydro energy. And then you have blocks on other energy resources, in which you will get know that how energy harvesting is done by materials, etc. So this is about renewable energy systems. And in energy management you have again 4 blocks, and here in the very first block we will discuss about the energy management. And to know energy management you have to know about how the energy auditing is conducted. So how energy audit is conducted, then on the basis of energy audit how we are going to conserve energy. So basically in the first block you will learn about the energy management, its principle, energy audit and energy conservation. You will be able to know about the various energy audit equipments also, and how you can conduct the energy audit of your home also is discussed in this course. In second block you will learn about the thermal energy management. So for this you have to know the basics of thermodynamics, which is discussed there. Then how exergy analysis of any system is done, what is waste heat recovery, how it is recovered and the thermal energy is managed, and cogeneration concept is also there. In third block you will learn about the electrical energy management, how motors etc. work. You will learn about various circuits also. You will learn about star delta diagrams also, and you will learn about the power distribution systems also, what are the various losses and how we can overcome from those losses is also discussed there. And in the last block we have given some examples that how energy is conserved in the industries, and we have given examples of some of the industries like Vanaspati industries, steel industries, that how the balancing is done there of energy input and energy output, and accordingly you have to do the energy conservation there. So it is there how you are going to calculate the payback period etc. is also discussed in very brief in this particular course. Then the third course is about environmental law and management, in which all the laws and obligations related to environment is given there. So what are the things that you have to keep in your mind if you are going to develop an alternative energy resource for production of energy or producing power? Then what are the environmental concerns that you should know, and what should be the impact of those energy resources on the environment? That is also discussed there for both global and Indian. Then is energy project. So for this project, those who are working, they have to undertake a project for which they have to choose a local supervisor depending upon the area that they have chosen for the project, and then they will send us a synopsis while discussing the synopsis topic and whatever they are going to do in that particular project with their local supervisor, and along with the biodata of local supervisor and the performer and the report, they have to send that report to us, and then we will allot a internal supervisor from the School of Engineering and Technology depending upon the area that they have chosen. And then the internal supervisor will approve their synopsis, and local supervisor also. The qualification for the local supervisor is given in your project guide. He or she has to meet that guidelines or criteria, and then he or she, that is the internal supervisor, will suggest you that whatever modifications you have to do in the project, or whatever maybe you have to change the methodology or not, that he or she will provide, and accordingly you have to move forward. For those who are not getting an eligible supervisor and are not working, can go for an industrial training in the field of energy and environment, either in energy production site or energy power distribution site, or some industries where energy conservation is taking place. They can take a training of 28 days from there. You can also exercise the option of software trainings which are available online, and you can go for the online software training also for completion of this minor project. And then whatever you have learned in the software training, you have to apply that knowledge in the field of energy and environment. So you have to choose a suitable subject from the energy and environment, and then you have to apply whatever knowledge you have acquired from the software training into it. For example, I have learned PV Sol. Then I have to prepare a report like the availability of solar energy in any particular region, and the estimation is done by PV Sol itself. Or I can do some analytics, data analytics on the energy resources that are available, so I can go for data analytic course also. So this is that you have to do in second semester. Now in Sem 3, again you have 4 courses. One course is on solar energy and its application. Another course is bioenergy conversion and its utilization. Third course is on energy economics and planning. And then you have an elective subject also. We have a bucket of elective subjects that I will show you after 1 or 2 slides. Then is 4th semester. In this 4th semester again you have an elective and a major project. Here in major project you don't have the option for industrial training or software training. You have to go for major project, and in case of minor project you have to just submit your report only, and the marking will be on the basis of the report that you have submitted. In case of major project, there is 2 components. One is for the dissertation and another is for the viva voce. 70% is from the report and 30% weightage will be for the viva voce. So here you have to submit a major project report also, and then you have to give viva voce also. Here in my major project will be a in-depth analysis, okay, because it is for 12 credits. So here the analysis will be more rather than in minor project which is of 6 credits. So there you have to devote less number of hours, and here you have to devote more number of hours, and this is the main dissertation of your master program. So a deep analysis will be there. You can go for the experimental work also, you can go for the survey works also. Okay, you can analyze the data also, but the analysis will be in deep, and whatever the results that you are getting should be meaningful. Now comes the electives. We have basket of elective from energy, environment and computer application. So we have 8 electives here. From the field of energy we have 2 electives, nanotechnology in energy and environment and energy storage. From environmental science, we have 2 electives, Introduction to Climate Change and Environmental Impact Assessment for Environmental Health. And then from computer science, we have Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Cloud Computing and IoT, Data Science and Big Data, and Mobile Computing. For the courses like AI and Machine Learning, you should have the background of Python and all. So while choosing the electives, you have to be careful. If you have the background, then only you can go for these courses. Otherwise, you may opt for the energy and environment courses. Now comes the evaluation. In IGNOU system, we have 2 components for evaluation. One is continuous assessment, that is from the assignment, and another is the summative assessment, that is from your term end examination. So here the weightage of assignment is 30% and 70% is from your term end examination. Now about the assignments. So assignments are already sent to all of you through emails, and they are available in the website also. And I will suggest that first of all, read assignment questions carefully and identify various sources of material. Generally, the assignment questions are from the materials, self-learning material that is with you, but there are some questions which will be there to just think that whether you are able to apply the knowledge that we are sharing with you or not. Apart from this, don't copy the assignments from the self-learning material. Write it in your own word. Be precise and write it precise, concise, and write a systematic answer and write the things which are relevant. The word limit is provided there, so stick to those word limits and supplement your answer with the examples or illustrations which you can give there from the real life situations. Don't copy the examples that are given in the self-learning material. Apart from that, write all the assignments in your own handwriting. We do not accept typed assignment in this program. Apart from this, when you solve the assignments, it would be better and it would help you in preparing for your term end examinations also. So generally these assignments are available in the website. You have to opt for the assignment of 2023 years. Generally the last date for submission in IGNOU is generally September 30 if you are appearing for term end examination in December, and it is April 30 for term end examination in June. But this time, as you have taken admission till October, we have extended the date till October 30 for this particular session only. So try to submit your assignment well in time to your regional centers, and you may submit it either by post or by hand to your regional center. Some of the regional centers are accepting assignment by online mode also. So just visit their website and do whatever they have directed. I will suggest you to retain a copy of assignment with yourself and receipt of submitting the assignment in the regional center and while posting them through registered post or so. So just keep it with you, and we are there for you. You may contact us, as 30% weightage is for the assignment, so it is a very essential component. So you can get assignment from the student zone also. So this is all about MSc program. You may contact us. If you have any doubt, you can contact us. You can email us at MSCRWEE@ignou.ac.in for any further inquiry. Thank you very much for joining us.